Hello, everybody. Did you think to take 2D image and turn it into 3D in Blender? Yes, you did. You thought, this is 2D image and this is its 3D model. Let's do that. Go online and search for any 3D face. I select gorilla head or gorilla sculpture face. You must search for large size ones to get better result. Then remove the background using any program Photoshop or online to remove background. After that, go to depth, anything site to depth map, upload the image, and press compute depth. The option gives you a heat map, but you can get black and white one from the crystal depth option. At last download it, and here it is. The white parts will stand out, while the rest will settle towards the black parts when used. This is the time to work in Blender. Go to Add Menu, and from Mesh, add a plane. Change the mode to Edit mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. And from a menu appear to the left bottom corner, change the number of cuts to 40. Change the mode to Object mode. Go to Modifier Properties, then Add Modifier, and from Deform, add Displace Modifier. Press New, then click this icon to add the depth map. Click on Open, and get our depth map image. You can change the image scale to adjust its dimensions. Go to Modifier Properties again, and change the strength value to 0.5. Right-click and select Shade Smooth. From Add Modifier, then generate Add Subdivision Surface. And place it above the displace. Change the level's value to 3. From Deform, add Smooth Corrective. And check only Smooth. Then change the repeat value to 15. Go to Shading Workspace. Click New. Now you get the image which we removed the background. Since we removed the background of it and added, connect color to base color dot and alpha to alpha to keep the face only. And this is our 3D, which we created from 2D image.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.